In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google My Business on Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google Business profile connected so you can manage posts and updates right inside your Go High Level account. Let's start from your Go High Level dashboard. Once you're logged in and you've selected the correct location, look over to the main menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where Go High Level keeps all of the tools related to campaigns, social media, and content. After you're inside the marketing section, look toward the top or side of the screen for a tab or button called Settings. Click on Settings. These settings are specific to your marketing tools, and this is where you will be able to connect different social media accounts. Within the marketing settings area, you should see an option labeled Connect Social. Click on Connect Social. This page is designed to link your external social media platforms with Go High Level, so you can manage everything from one place instead of jumping between different tabs and websites. On the Connect Social page, you'll see several social platforms you can integrate. Look for the option labeled GBP, which stands for Google Business Profile, previously known as Google My Business. Click on GBP. This tells Go High Level that you're about to connect your Google Business account. Next, you'll see a button that says Sign In with Google. Click on Sign In with Google. This will open a Google sign-in window or redirect you to a Google login page. Make sure you're signing in with the same Google account that owns or manages the business profile you want to connect. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts from Google. You may be asked to choose which Google account to use, confirm that you want to give Go High Level permission to access your Google business profile, and select the specific business location if you have more than one. Take a moment to read the permissions so you understand what access is being granted, then click Allow to continue. Once you've completed those prompts, you'll be redirected back to Go High Level, and your Google business profile should now be connected. From there, you'll be able to create and schedule posts and manage your presence on Google directly through the platform.